Well, second time I'm opening something special for my editor and trying to stay unemotional. It's very difficult. I dressed up in my Grisa's blouse. I love it. Deborah Weich's Evil Eye earrings. And this is what has just come in the post a month before official publication day. So, with a beautiful card. Everybody at headline is so gorgeous and thoughtful. But I can't wait to undo knots. I'm sorry. Wow. Bear with me, I'm like a little child on Christmas Day. Oh my God. It's here. That's the back. Thank you, Nathan Burton and David Loftus, for creating such a thing of beauty. This is a welcome page. And that's as much as I'm going to show you today. And now I'm going to have a very good cry. And I will post this video a little bit later when I'm a bit calmer and I can thank people. Enjoy your days. May success, joy and happiness come to you all. I think we all deserve it.